Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here one of the very first Watch Ultra clone smartwatch in the market, and at the same time one of the popular Watch Ultra clone. Okay, so what we have here is the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so it's a multi-function smartwatch. So we'll see. Okay, we will have the unboxing of this wearable. We're going to check the design as well as the specifications. Okay, and of course we are going to have a series of video reviews for this wearable, including the health monitoring, the Bluetooth call and messaging, as well as other menus and features included in the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, let's check first. Okay, the packaging, very professional looking. Full screen calling, message, weather and cycling. So it looks premium so far. Okay, I like the packaging here. So let's have the unboxing. Again, this is the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. So far it looks good. Okay, well, let's see. So what color do we have here? Okay, seems like we have a rose gold and a with the orange strap. User manual. Okay, so so the support app is the RD Fit app. Okay, available in Android and iOS. So we have the user manual available in English and Chinese language, I think. And we have, okay, the charging cable, magnetic. And of course, we have the smartwatch with a strap already attached to it. Okay, so same strap. Okay, flexible strap. So let's try and check. Wow, it looks good. I'm impressed with the design. We have here 45mm case. So this one is a 45mm case. Recent or new Watch Ultra smartwatch has a 49mm frame or case. Okay, so far it looks good. It looks nice. We have here the button. Okay, and we have this iconic design here for the Watch Ultra. Okay, so before we proceed, okay, with the design here, let's have the measurement. It's a bit thick compared to the usual Series 8 smartwatch. Okay, again, so this is 10, 42, and we have here 35. Okay, so if you include this one, it will go to 45mm. Okay, so flat screen display here. So let's check for the weight. So this is a smaller version, okay, with the size somewhat like the same with the Series 8. Okay, so we have 52, just over 50 grams. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the design here. Okay, we do have a brush finish, curve, beautiful design here. And as you can see here, because this is the first version, there's no lock here for the strap. Okay, still It is a force fitting, okay, method similar to, okay, we accidentally turn it on, similar to the Series 8 smartwatch. Okay, so there's no lock strap. So it is an affordable version of the Watch Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so let's remove this and see the bezel. Okay, so it looks nice, very slim, black border here. Okay, so there's a screen adjustment. As you can see, there's a lot of options here. Beautiful menu. Okay, and so far, beautiful screen display. Okay, so it has a somewhat like a screen protector already. Okay, so this is the crown button, so it works. Okay, I love the back cover here. Okay, I'm just disappointed that we don't have a strap lock here that is similar to the original. Okay, but so far it looks good. Okay, let me wear it and see if we can, okay, if the look is similar to the original. Okay, can they distinguish that it's a clone and not the original smartwatch or Apple Watch? Let's see. Wow, it looks nice. It really looks like the series or the Watch Ultra smartwatch. Okay, we just see the difference is the crown button or the pill shaped button here. It should be a plastic or a rubber type orange button, and with the original has a much bigger body frame. Okay, so it still looks okay, very comfortable to wear, and it feels very solid. Okay, so if you want to check for the specifications of the smartwatch, we have it here on the site. Okay, check it here. I listed all the specs here: display, the sensors, okay, the battery, and the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so far the display looks okay or looks good. Very slim bezel as you can see here. I like the UI here, especially on the top here. On the bottom part, still notifications. Okay, so we'll have more on the smartwatch, especially the menus and features. Okay, watch out for our second video of the unboxing of the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, bye.